Drawing hands is known for being difficult, and although you can try to avoid them by drawing characters with their hands in their pockets or behind their back, this temporary solution can't save you forever, and if you're someone who struggles with this, you may be approaching drawing hands completely wrong. When I changed the way I went about it, it helped me improve drastically. My main mistake before was just diving straight in and trying to create the full contour, or outer edges, of the hand without much of a plan. I would always run out of room for all the fingers, and the final results always seemed very unnatural and indecisive. For your first step, draw a semi-flat squarish shape to represent the base of the hand. Don't worry about the fingers yet. This starting shape makes it easier to draw the hand at different angles, and people will often overlook the palm when drawing hands, which is a big mistake. If the palm doesn't look right, the hand won't look right. This is also a good point to draw the wrist. It helps suggest what the hand is doing in relation to the imaginary body. If the person is reaching up to grab something, or about to pet a cute dog, the wrist will show that. Step 2 is indicating where the fingers go. Fill in the area on the finger side of the base with 4 circles. At this point, you should start thinking about what you want the fingers to be doing. If the fingers are spread out, these circles will have a bit of space between them, and for any fingers that are touching, this space will be closed. For step 3, it's time to make the palm of the hand less flat. On the palm, there are 3 main lumps. The first is what I'll call the thumb lump because it's the base of the thumb. Move your thumb around, and you'll see this lump move with it. There is also what I like to think of as the pinky lump, which stretches along this end of the palm, and when the hand is angled where the thumb is on the further side, it will be extra prominent and will seem to connect with the pinky finger. Finally, there is the upper lump, which goes across the top of the palm and sort of connects or overlaps with the pinky lump. If you can't see the palm of the hand in your drawing, you don't have to worry about this, but you can instead add in the knuckles at the top of the back of the hand with some simple lines like this. Moving on to step 4, it's time to add the fingers. They should be about the same length as the palm, and while fingers have 3 sections, it's usually best to only use 2, with the exception of the finger being curled in, like with a fist. Not only does this make things easier on you, but also tends to look better as well. When drawing 2 or more fingers that are touching, try to draw them as one shape, and then add some disconnected lines inside the shape to indicate where one finger ends and the other begins. Trying to draw each of these fingers separately and one at a time is only going to cause you trouble, and won't turn out as good. The thumb consists of 2 parts, the section that attaches to the thumb lump and the tip. If the position of your fingers seem unnatural, try to pose your own hand in that way. If you can't do it, neither should your drawing be able to. Good finger positions tend to have good flow, and most of the time, a fully stretched finger won't be next to a curled one. Try to curl in your pinky while keeping the rest of your fingers outstretched. Your other fingers will move with it. If they don't, you are not normal. And now, for step 5, simply clean up your drawing and add any wrinkles or other details it needs. For more hand and other human anatomy tips, check out this playlist on screen. Thanks for watching!